This is a demo of how you can download and install QuickAdminPanel generated code locally in your web server. Keep in mind it depends on your web server. What do you use on what operating system? I will do the demo on my MacBook with MAMP web server. So you have a demo fresh project with some CRUDs maybe or just nothing, and you click download full code. Then you have the instruction, which will basically summarize everything I will do in this video, but I will do it step by step anyway. So here's my downloaded project. I double click and unarchive it. And this archive contains basically all the Laravel project you need. All you need is to copy that folder into the folder that you already have prepared for your web server. In my case, I will use MAMP, so all I need to do is to drag that folder into the MAMP htdocs folder, and I rename it to project. And in my MAMP configuration, I've created a virtual host for that, HTTP virtual hosts configuration. Here it is. I have a virtual host with that folder project public pointing to the public folder as it is in Laravel project. So basically what you download is a typical Laravel project. So if you are struggling to download it locally and install it locally, Google your web server documentation for Laravel project, whether it's MAMP or Homestead or Valet or Laragon or whatever you're using, or PHP Artisan Serve, whatever you use, just Google that with Laravel. But in my case, we continue with MAMP and we download it to here, and all we need to do next is to install that as a Laravel project. So we go to that folder. So we are inside of that folder, and let's see what files we have. And we are interested in .env.example. This is a configuration file for environment, and we need to copy that to be .env without the example. So copy .env.example to .env. And then we edit it, .env. You can do that in terminal or in PHP Storm or in whatever, and you specify the username and password for the database first. So this is what I would do, database project. URL would be project.test. And then we run composer install. Composer install. And inside of our composer JSON that is generated, we have all the packages we need, and it will install Laravel project. Okay, composer install is successful. Next, we need to migrate the database with seeds. So we prepare the database migrations and some seeds file for you. So you need to run migrate seed. Okay, this is successful. Next, on the configuration, in instructions, we have to generate the key into .env file. So key generate. Storage link if you work with files. So if you have any fields with file upload or photo upload, you need that. In my case, I don't have that. And that's it. That should probably work. And we go in our browser and do project.test, as I have that domain configured. And it redirects to login page, and default email and password is admin.com, and password is password. And you log in, and you already are inside of your database, inside of your admin panel. So basically that's it, a quick demo of how can you download and install your project locally. Keep in mind you can bump into various issues related to your web server, PHP version, Laravel, misconfigurations and all of that. But check for Laravel documentation related to your web server, or use our live chat help on our website, QuickAdminPanel.com, or email me directly, personally, paulvillas@laraveldaily.com, and I will try to help.